guys, welcome again. This is your boy Ajala The Traveler. This is another cooking edition. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. And if it's your first time on my channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button after this video. As you can see, I'm holding in my right hand a bowl of broccoli and on the left a bowl of chicken. So today I'm going to be making a delicious vegetable chicken sauce. I've got quite different types of veg here. I have my veggies already prepared. So I have here broccoli, and I've got red bell pepper, I've got carrots, mushroom, onion, leek, chili, very important, garlic, and again turmeric. I've got salt, and last but not the least, olive oil. So what I'm going to do right now is, as usual, rinse out my pot. My chicken has been washed. This is the usual chicken you get from every supermarket. It has been skinned just to keep it low fat as possible. So we're gonna salt that. Turmeric. The ginger. The garlic. The chili. I want the chili to go into the chicken. So there goes the onion. I add a little bit of water. Give it a good stir. Add a little bit. Okay. And put this guy. On. So as you can see, I've got my rice. It's going to be served with rice. I'm a fan of brown rice lately, and they take quite a long time to cook compared to the regular white rice. So I've started with my rice because this sauce is expected to take not longer than 15 to 20 minutes. So they both be ready at the same time. So we're going to allow the chicken to cook for a little while before we add the vegetables. My chicken has been on the stove for a while now, for about 7 minutes. So I'm going to add the carrots because it is the toughest of all the veggies, and I'm going to be in there say about 2 minutes before I bring on the other veggies. So this is the part where I add my just a little bit of olive oil. Let that boil for 2 minutes, and I'm going to be adding the rest of the veggies. I'm excited because we're nearly coming to an end. And very soon it's going to be dinner. So guys, it's time to add the remainder of our veggies. Ooh, don't you just love the colors? Just give that a little shake so that the veggies go to the bottom of the pot, because the chicken, it's ready. So we're gonna let it heat up. comes the mushroom on the top. So we just let it heat up for another 3 minutes and this guy will be ready. That will leave the vegetable a little bit crunchy. I like my veggies a little bit crunchy. A lot of people like it soft, so that depends on you. You can leave it to boil for another 5 minutes to be softer, but if you want it crunchy, 3 minutes. It's my recommendation. So guys, it's ready. Now let's see how our vegetable chicken sauce panned out. Ooh, all the colors in there. See, we got all the rainbow colors. Just dish that. See how colorful that looks. So people, that's it. Here you have it. Vegetable chicken sauce my way. Very simple, simple ingredients. I'm sure you can find them everywhere in every supermarket. And it takes approximately 11 minutes. So guys, like I said earlier, if this is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Bye until I see you on the next one. It's your boy again, Ajala The Traveler.